Forward Estimates Report, for Job Commander. The Job Commander Forward Estimates Report is simple to run and provides you with the ability to estimate forward costs and income. Select the location for the file to be saved, the expected to finish date range and the export columns. Force the navigation to the database folder. Easy to follow instructions are included. Optional columns include show quantity, order quantity, manual quantity, quantity undelivered and show drawing number. By default, the table provides information on job number, job type, job header, customer name, file number, date in shop, date authorized, expect to finish date, sell price, amount invoiced, with and without GST, material received and on order value, labor hours and labor cost, work center cost, and quantity. The final report is generated as an Excel document. This is the end of this video.